Mardi Gras 2021 has been canceled. This would be Rex and Zulu here on this Tuesday morning, rolling down St. Charles Avenue, but no floats, no parades this year, just a streetcar. This is the coldest Mardi Gras day I can remember. They say it's not the coldest in history. Right now it is 25 degrees with a wind chill of 17, and just a couple of seconds ago I didn't have the camera out, but a couple of snow flurries. I cannot ever remember snow flurries on Mardi Gras day. So cold. I was not certain what was going to be open today, but a lot of restaurants that would normally be closed because, you know, it's Mardi Gras day or they're on the parade route, have started to reopen. So we've made a reservation a little bit further down St. Charles Avenue at Lula for a little Mardi Gras day lunch. So here is the Pomegranate Lemonade with their house-made vodka. They are a restaurant here at Lula, but also a distillery. Sweet but not too sweet, citrusy, bright, great vodka flavor as well. So Bourbon Street, the French Quarter, about a mile and a half that way. The quarter is open somewhat, but all the bars are closed, and Bourbon Street itself on this Mardi Gras day is barricaded. No pedestrians even on Bourbon Street, and all the bars are closed. If you want a cocktail on Mardi Gras day, you have to come to a restaurant that's open. And these are the Boudin Egg Rolls. Boudin, sort of a local sausage, pork and rice sausage normally. A molasses fig dipping sauce. Can you hear the crunch? Crispy and crunchy and salty and meaty and porky, and then also that wonderful sweet glaze from the fig molasses. Oh, this is yummy. They always talk about, you know, fusion cooking, mixing cultures culinarily, East meets West, that sort of thing. Well, here is Cajun meeting the Far East. Boudin Egg Rolls. Love it. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. Shrimp and grits. There's a tasso cream sauce around it. Tasso is kind of like a local spiced ham, and then fried green tomato on top. So I'm sure Fanny Flagg would appreciate the fried green tomato. I'll dig into the tomato first here. There's a nice vegetal kick to that. There's a lot of breading, but you can still taste the tomato. Oh, and that cream sauce is terrific. Well, let's dig into the... Oh, there's a stack. There's a stack of fried green tomatoes. We've got the grits underneath there. Normally the shrimp come head on, but I asked the server, since I was doing a video, if she would mind doing the heads off on the shrimp, and she said absolutely. So here's a good bite. The shrimp are perfectly cooked. There's a little lemony kick. They're not overcooked. There's still a little snap to them. Oh, so good, so rich, so creamy, wonderful. You can actually see the green tomato there sneaking out of the breading. Oh, this is such a treat on Mardi Gras day. So good.